This is the genius idea that won somebody a Nobel Prize in 1927. This is before penicillin, which means syphilis is an incurable disease and, well, terminal. How would you go around trying to cure it? It's an idea that you could probably come up with as well if you had some time to think about it. Syphilis, like some other bacteria, can't survive in higher temperatures in our bodies. So we have to get the body temperature up. That means we would have to induce a fever. Why don't we purposefully give these patients malaria, which we know is curable? Give them malaria, induce a fever, increase the body's temperature, get rid of the syphilis bacteria, and then cure the malaria and win a Nobel Prize in medicine. Now, this was somewhat simple to understand. I got curious, what discovery won the Nobel Prize in physics in the same year? Is it more difficult to understand? Let's see. Classical electromagnetism says that if you hit a particle like an electron with a photon, that photon's wavelength isn't going to change. But after some experiments, they found that the wavelengths of the scattered ray was longer. This is called Compton scattering. This means photon or light isn't just a wave. This is the kind of behavior a particle would show. This wasn't the first time someone showed the wave-particle duality in history. If you know a little bit of physics, you know that Einstein and the photoelectric effect is much more well known. But this was another experiment to prove the same thing and more, and of course win a Nobel Prize in physics. Tell me, which one of these do you think was harder to understand? Medicine or physics? And please don't forget to like and follow. This is the genius idea that won somebody a Nobel Prize in 1927. This is before penicillin, which means syphilis is an incurable disease and, well, terminal. How would you go around trying to cure it? It's an idea that you could probably come up with as well if you